Fiona, can you go pick up the balls? Okay, go pick them up.
Mom.
Okay, that's good. Now bring them over here. Put them in the box. Okay, reach in with your hand and get them. Okay, reach in with your hand and get the balls out. Come up. Oh, Dad will get a couple, and then Fiona can get a couple. There you go. You can get a couple. Good job.